Mabuhay everyone! We're the BSTM 1104. We're taking a little road trip to the beautiful province of Batangas, specifically to the historic town of Balayan.
And our main destination is magnificent structure right behind us.
The Immaculate Conception Parish Church, or as local fondly call it, simply the Balayan Church. If you're looking into history, culture, or just soaking in the beauty of old Philippine architecture, then you're in for a treat. Let's dive in! First off, just look at this place. My first fun thing about coming here is just simply enjoying the grandeur and quiet awe it inspires. You feel like you've stepped back in time.
Check out these old moss cover walls. You can almost feel the history emanating from them. And a little fun activity you can do. Try to spot the different textures and materials used. Its constructions. It's a mix of coral, stone, bricks, and volcanic rocks. It's like a treasure hunt for the history.
The church grounds themselves are so peaceful. It's a great spot from some quick reflection, or if you're like me, for talking some truly peak photos for your Instagram feed. The backdrop is just stunning image, the stories the rules can't tell.
Before we continue this vlog, let us first pray to our God that He may guide us through this day and have a successful vlog and protect us from any harmful incidents.
Alam mo ba na ang Simbahang Balayan ay opisyal na pambansang yamang kultural ng Pilipinas? Ito ay kinikilala dahil sa kanyang pambihirang kultural at historical na halaga, at ito ay isang piraso ng ating pambansang pagkakakilanlan.
The Balayan Church, formerly known as the Immaculate Conception Parish Church, is a designated national cultural treasure dedicated to the Immaculate Conception, whole feast day on December 8 in the main town fiesta.
Did you know? The first church on this site was actually built way back in 1591. Imagine that, over 400 years of continuous worship. The stone church we see today was completed much later, officially blessed in 1795. Think about all the generation who have walked these aisles.
So, we're outside. The experience was so immaculate. Like the name itself, Immaculate Conception. We wish to return here again. Yeah. So we're heading to our next destination, which is the Balayan Bay. Right. So as of right now, we're passing the Balayan Public Market. We're crossing the most expensive cafe here in Balayan, which is the Lake Cafe. Have you guys tried Lake Cafe before?
Yes! Yes! I want to make a face!
So we just arrived. We just arrived at the seaport of Balayan. Ano, yun yung sinasabi. Yun, susot tayo doon mamaya.
Saan?
Ayan. Doon, susot tayo.
Saan tayo pupunta?
We're currently here at the bay. Wow, it's so windy here. Okay kayo. Tago si Lisa. Lisa. Wow. We're just going by here for business. Let's go to our next destination, which is yeah. So,
Uwi ka mag-isa.
para dito na. Ito po. Wag na, tama na, umuwi ka na. Oh, yung bag mo. Dala ka, sorry ka. Thank you. Going to our last destination, which is
Kamayan sa Dike.
let's see you there. Bye. So our feet got tired, so we just chose to ride a tricycle. Yeah. See you all there. There's Lisa. Crispin. Bye. So welcome back. We just arrived at Kamayan. Hey. Let's go order.
Let's go.
Kamayan. So our food just arrived. Let's eat. Dito tayo.
The famous product here in Balayan is the one and only most famous bagoong, but unfortunately this restaurant ran out of it. They only have bagoong rice available.
Wow! Let's go this the bagoong rice, Balayan specialty.
1, 2, 3.
No, go. Go. No, go. Go. So, tapos na ko kumain. Busog ba?
Sobrang busog na busog.
Okay, din na tayo. Ano?
Game na pala yun.
Tapos na.
So guys, wala na po.
Or, bago matapos ang video ito, katanong ako sa dalawa.
Ano yun?
Sa lahat ng pinuntahan natin, anong pinakagustuhan niya? Bakit?
Ako dito sa kainan sa Dike.
Mga simbahan.
Bakit? Bakit mo nasakama yun sa liga?
Kasi sobrang ang sarap ng pagkain. Busog na busog ako. Ikaw, Lisa, bakit Simba?
Wala, maganda lang doon. Tsaka... wala na. Gusto ko lang doon.
Ako naman sa sa Baywalk.
Bakit?
Ala, ang crush ko doon.
Ay, wow.
Hangin.
May pagano.
Malamig doon.
Malamig doon.
Malamig.
Kasi ito,
Nadala nga tayo doon ng hangin eh.
sobrang nakakaya nadadala
Bara!
kasi. The air here is so refreshing. At muli, dito
na po
nagtatapos ang aming vlog.
Kami nga pala ang
BSTM 1104.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!